probably heard traders say that the momentum indicator is leading while others say it is lagging. So what's the truth? Today, I am breaking down the facts and showing you exactly how to use momentum the smart way in binary trading. Hello everyone, welcome to PK Moneyverse YouTube channel. In this channel, we share with you practical and proven strategies on how to make money trading binary options and forex. So come on, let's get right into it. Firstly, what is the momentum indicator? The momentum indicator measures the rate of change in price. In simple terms, it compares the current price to the price of few candles ago. That means it makes use of past data to analyze the strength of the current price. And in technical terms, that makes it a lagging indicator because it follows after the price action by design. Check this out. Here on this chart, we can see the price action going up and the momentum indicator heading up as well. This is a typical example of the momentum indicator acting as a lagging indicator because it is following after the price action. Here is where it gets interesting. Even though the momentum indicator is lagging by design, in certain situations like divergence, it can signal a potential reversal before price actually moves. And that's why traders say it can also act like a leading indicator. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see here, the price, which is a candlestick, is going up while the momentum indicator is going down. This signals a divergence. And we are expecting the market to reverse soon so we can enter a sell trade. When price makes a new high but momentum fails to do so, that's called a bearish divergence, and it often comes before a drop in price. Looking at this chart, we can see that the overall price action is in an uptrend while the momentum indicator is heading downwards, signaling a divergence. This tells us that the price is about to reverse and start heading down. So all we have to do is to look out for buy trades. First thing is to wait for the momentum indicator to head down below 100 mark so that we can place our sell trade. Now the price is already heading below the 100 mark and we just placed our trade. Let's wait for profit. And we're almost in profit. Boom, that was profit. But when the momentum indicator moves up before the price follows suit, that is called a bullish divergence, and you should look to enter buy trades in such cases. As we can see here, the momentum indicator is already heading up, but the price is yet to follow suit. That is already signaling a bullish divergence, and we are looking for buy trades. So all I have to do now is to wait for a confirmation, then I enter my buy trade. And so right here, we just entered a buy trade. And as you can see, we are already in profit. Let me show you how I use the momentum in my strategy with the zigzag and 20 exponential moving average. First of all, I use the momentum to confirm strength or spot early weaknesses. If the price looks bullish but momentum is fading, I pause. And when I see a divergence, I prepare for a reversal. This is the edge that keeps me winning in binary options. If you want to know more about my strategy with the zigzag and the 20 EMA, the link will be in the comments. As you can see, we are already running in profits just by using this special strategy. So, is the momentum indicator lagging or leading? The truth is it is lagging by design, but can act like a leading indicator if you know what to look out for. If this video helped you, please drop a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also join our free trading group on Telegram where we offer free signals, account management services, and mentorship every day. You know what it is? PK Moneyverse.